Hey everybody, Patrick here. I get asked a lot what's happening downtown San Diego, what's going on with the shops opening, what's open, what's not, is there people walking around, is it worth making a trip out there? So I wanted to give a quick shoot of what's going on, took some videos, took some pictures to show you guys what's actually happening down here in San Diego. If you have any questions or anything specific, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this video useful, please hit that like button for me. Thanks.